What's up, everyone? So, a lot of people have been asking, how do you manage to keep your makeup on your face after you've been riding for like 4 hours? It's still there. Well, here you go. I'm gonna teach you right now. So, first of all, we're gonna start with sunscreen. Very, very important. Oil absorbing. If you have like oily skin, you really want to put that layer of moisturizer and oil absorbing. Now, Stila, sorry, I'll put a picture later. So this is a very waterproof. Normally, I use Lise Watier eyeliner, but it's not available in the US, at least not in stores. So I decided to pick one that you could actually go try in stores yourself. And this is Lise Watier, which I've been using since I was about 13, 14. They make really good waterproof products. I highly recommend that you look into it. Ultra Le Teint Chanel foundation. The old formula used to be a lot better. Now I use Clarins Everlasting foundation, but I mean, it's still a good foundation. And here with Lise Watier again, so this is, to hide all the pimples, you're going to use the green thingy here. I don't know how it's called, sorry, but for the red stuff. And powder, obviously. This one has a FPS. It's called Le Teint Ultra Tenu Ultra Wear Flawless Compact Foundation. I don't always use mascara, but when I do, this is what I use, and this thing will not leave your lashes. I'm telling you, it's even hard to take it off. So right here like this, so you can see. La 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 la. Yep. Underneath. And no smudge. And yeah, my super lip gloss here, nothing too fancy, just a Shimano lipstick, or like any lipstick. And here you go. This is it. Really easy. Now, this is the foundation that I normally use. You can use it along with makeup fixation here. I normally don't use it, but you might need to use it for whatever reason. Yeah, the colors might look off. That's on bathroom lighting for you. Now, let's say that you get ready at 7 a.m. and you have like a run or a workout at like 4 p.m. You want it to last all day. So, you're not going to do just the foundation and some eyeliner. You're going to put some blush, but just something quick because you're kind of in a rush, That will do the trick. Trust me. Just, it's kind of pink. It's kind of bronze, but like right in between. Use it on the eyes too. It looks kind of cool. Now, if you're a contouring person, this is for you. If you're not really into color blending, I highly recommend this one. And yes, it will last for the entire workout. It will most likely last longer than the foundation itself. So yeah, there was nothing to blend here, but that's just to show you how you really can't see it. Yeah, normally it would cover the red too. Now, for the lips. This is honestly like the most waterproof, best product ever. This will change your life. Trust me. I'll show you right now. I don't wear it all the time. Usually I just go with like lip balm, But just if you want something that really lasts for a long time, you've got to try this. Sorry for the bad quality. I don't know what happened. My shade is Darling Pink, by the way. So you put a lip balm to moisturize your lips so they don't crack. Burt's Bees, they're kind of tinted. It looks nice on its own too if you don't feel like the 24-hour long wear thing on your lips, It's really just optional. I usually just carry it in my pocket and just reapply it whenever my lips are like super dry. So here, spread it all across the canvas, nice and even. And after that, yeah, you gotta be patient. Just let it dry a little bit, go do something, go get changed, whatever. And step 2, you just apply the step 2 like this, whatever. And voila. Yeah, you can check out my Instagram for the results. That's pretty much how I do every single day. Haha. Invisalign looks so gross on this. Meh, whatever. Hey, hit that thumbs up in the face, subscribe, comment if you think your makeup beats mine. Hit the comment section and I will test it, or if you just want me to test it, that's fine too. Come say hi on Instagram, that's where all my cycling stuff is at. And yeah, thanks for watching.